Want to make your Samsung Galaxy phone faster and easier to use? The Edge panel is a handy feature that gives you instant access to your favorite apps, contacts, and useful tools with just a simple swipe. If you haven't tried it yet, here's how to turn it on and make the most of it. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Display, then keep scrolling until you see Edge panels. Tap the switch next to it to turn the feature on. That's it. You'll now notice a small, transparent handle on the side of your screen. Whenever you need it, just swipe inward from that handle and your Edge panel will appear. The best part is that you can customize it to fit your daily routine. Instead of just turning it on, tap Edge panels to open its settings. Then select panels to choose what you want to see. You can add your favorite apps for quick access. Keep your most important contacts just a swipe away. Use Smart Select to capture screenshots or create GIFs. Or enable handy tools like a flashlight, compass, ruler, and clipboard. You can even add panels for the weather, reminders, and more. Don't like where the handle appears? No problem. Open the handle settings to change its position, size, color, or transparency until it feels just right. You can even make it less visible if you prefer a cleaner look. Once you start using the Edge panel, you'll probably wonder how you ever managed without it. It saves time, makes multitasking much easier, and keeps your favorite features right at your fingertips without interrupting what you're doing. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and customized the Edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy device. Give it a try and enjoy a smoother, more convenient smartphone experience every day.